Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam headlight bulb on this 2012 Toyota Sienna. Open the hood. I will demonstrate the bulb replacement on the driver's side. The passenger side is done in exactly the same way. So as you can see, there are two bulbs right there. This is the low beam light bulb right here, and this is the high beam light bulb. Okay, so to replace the high beam bulb, you will need to disconnect the connector. So you got the tab right here on it, and when you press it, you will see that the little pole inside lifts up, and that will allow you to remove the connector. So press on that tab. And sometimes you can't get it quite off. So what you can do is you can either remove the bulb and then disconnect it, or you can get a little flat blade screwdriver just underneath that little lever, and that will help it slide off the hook on the bulb. So you could lift this up just a little bit and then grab the connector and you'll be able to pull it off. This one is really stuck. If you can't get the connector off, you can twist the bulb. So looking at it from the back, you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. And then slide it out of the housing. So with the old bulb, we don't really care. We can touch it. With a new one, you shouldn't be touching the glass. And then now that we have full access to this, we should be able to squeeze the tab and disconnect the connector. There we go. The replacement bulb type is 9005, and check the links below the video for where to buy a replacement. Note that it's got 3 tabs here on the housing, and then you have 3 slots in the back of the headlight. So you will need to line up the cutouts with the slots. This skinny one here is gonna go in this direction, and there is a little arrow here on the housing. And then looking at it from the back, you're gonna turn it clockwise until it stops like that. And now you can grab your connector, line it up, and slide it up until it clicks. And there we go. Make sure that the tab is engaged, and you're done. High beam headlight bulb replacement is completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Sienna maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.